So today we're making Gouda Vibes burgers from HelloFresh. These are Yukon Gold potatoes. These are very sweet and tasty, especially in the oven. We're doing these first because they're going to take long. Drizzle of oil, add your potatoes, and stick these in a preheated oven at 425 for about 20 minutes. Now we're going to dice some tomato. Now we're going to thinly slice an onion. Make a little sauce here. Add in your sour cream. Add in your mayonnaise, a little bit of paprika, salt and pepper, add a little bit of oil to the pan for our onions. Medium high heat. We're going to cook these for about 8 minutes until golden brown. We're going to press out our patties, a little pepper, some salt. We're going to make 2 patties out of this. And we're going to finish up on our onion jam. Add our tomatoes, grated paprika, chicken stock, 1 teaspoon of sugar, water. Let that cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. And another small drizzle of oil for our hamburgers. Medium high heat. These are very dense burgers. We turn off our onion jam, the salt and pepper, so our burgers are starting to get moist on the top. We can flip them. So we go ahead and put our buns down. Melt our Gouda. So our onion jam has a slightly gooey texture to it. The tomato, bring it obviously. We're going to use that to top our burgers. We're going to add a little bit of our sauce to the bottom of the bun. Cover the entire bun. And save just a little bit for dipping. Into the top bun, we'll add a little bit of the onion jam. Now our hamburgers with our beautifully melted Gouda cheese. Look at that. Perfectly melted. Sauce in there too. Now we just need to add our potatoes. Perfect. I think we're gonna have to eat both of these.